Plastics which have been linked to causing damage to growth of the reproductive system in kids were found in certain IKEA mugs, and much more news coming up in Home Talks episode 1. Hey guys, Nikhil here from Home Banao. This is our new series, Home Talks, where we're going to talk about different news related to your home, home construction, home interiors, and things like that. So let's get started with episode 1. So IKEA was prompted to recall a lot of mugs which were found to have excessive levels of DPP, which is dibutyl phthalate. Now, if you don't know what this substance is, this is basically a sort of chemical which is used to increase the durability of, plastic products so that they last longer. The problem with this is, although this is a pretty good plasticizer, this is what you call these sort of substances, the issue is this plasticizer has been linked to cause damage to the development of reproductive organs in kids. So fortunately, the IKEA compliance team was able to spot this and pull out these products from the shelves. They had actually started selling these products across the world. This particular product was manufacturing right here in India in Vadodara-based company called Shaily Engineering. Now, this particular plastic has been pulled off the shelf. This mug has been pulled off the shelf, so that's good to know. But yeah, great to know that the IKEA internal audit team is working and they were able to identify this and pull it off soon. So let's get to the next news. Coming to the world's most valuable company, Apple. Now, Apple basically is known for creating seamless ecosystems. तो फटाफट कोई भी एयरपॉड ले लो या होमपॉड ले लो 2 सेकंड में कनेक्ट हो जाता है आईफोन के साथ. सो इफ यू ट्राई टू सेट अप एनी स्मार्ट होम, राइट, द मोस्ट अनोइंग एंड इरिटेटिंग थिंग इज जस्ट कनेक्टिंग एवरीथिंग टुगेदर. You may have an Alexa, you may have a smart TV, and you may have a smart fan, and configuring all of them and making sure they work well together is extremely hard. Fortunately, this is something which Apple is extremely good at, building a seamless experience. So they have recently patented a technology which will allow you to configure multiple devices in a seamless manner using, wireless protocols and different types of connectors and things like that. So this is something which Apple has actually done successfully with AirPods and HomePods, and now they'll be trying to build out this technology for the entire home, where any compatible device, the moment it comes in range with an Apple product, will quickly, just get connected and it'll just work on its own automagically. So great to know that Apple has patented this and are working towards making our smart homes better. The best part is, given Apple's security systems, given Apple's sort of authentication and focus on privacy, this is great news to know, especially considering that Alexa and Google, have huge sort of made crossroads into getting into everyone's home. So hopefully Apple is able to pull this off. Now, one of the best part is they're also patenting a particular product, a system which is called a host unit system. So what this patent also describes is a host unit. Now, this host unit, the way it works is it will be able to auto-generate floor plans of your home, figure out multiple other host units, and detect any inanimate objects or a compatible device which comes into your home. So sort of setting up a mesh around your home and figuring out and making sure that your home works in a smart, seamless manner. Next, everyone wants the pie of the smart home. Coming to Panasonic, one of world's largest appliance makers. Panasonic India has recently announced an AI and IoT platform called Mirai. Mir AI. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Now, the way Mirai works is basically it allows different products and devices to connect with all Panasonic devices and allows Panasonic devices to work well with each other. Now, the advantage with Mirai over other systems is, number one, it integrates with existing platforms like Alexa, Google, and all that. But the second thing is they've built a lot of advanced diagnostic features to be able to, increase the lifespan of the product and figure out preventive maintenance and things like that. So what they've also done along with launching this particular software, one of the things which I really liked was they've made the warranty system extremely simple. So because it will be internet connected, the warranty will be e-warranties. So the advantage with e-warranties is that any warranty issues, maybe diagnostics of the products, maybe booking a service request becomes extremely simple because Panasonic will have a lot of these data available right at the platform, right at the product. So great to know Panasonic is making some sort of inroads into the AI and the home automation space. Finally, for all of us who are getting irritated with the amount of recording and tracking which is happening from all these big companies, so Mr. Ben Zhao and his wife Miss Ben Zhang, when they recently purchased an Echo device, they found out that, you know, it was very spooky that it was recording all the time. Now, one of the advantages when you're at home, you can just turn off the echo device, right? But what if you're outside? What if you're in a space which has an echo device and you don't want your, you know, conversations to be recorded? So what they did was they built a bracelet which basically produces a very high frequency sound which prevents all these devices from, you know, sort of recording your voice. Now, this is really cool when you think about it, especially for the people who are privacy conscious. And you should be. I mean, it should be a choice that, you know, you're able to sort of be recorded, or maybe you don't want to be recorded all the time. So you can just put on this bracelet and, you know, it'll produce a very high frequency of sound to prevent any microphone, not just an Alexa device, to record you. So good to know that these sort of, these professors from University of Chicago decided to work on this problem of privacy rather than just complain like me and you. So good news. Hopefully it comes to the market soon. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. This was episode 1 of Home Talks. We will be doing this daily, so don't forget to subscribe and comment below what you thought about all this news. We'll definitely be interacting with you and answering your questions if you have any. See you guys in the next video.